How to use Uber Intercity feature. To use the Uber's Intercity feature, first things first, launch the mobile application onto your device and then log into your account. Now within the Where to tab at the top, go ahead and type in your destination as well as your pickup. Once you do this, you will be sent to this vehicle selection option over here. From here, you simply have to select the Uber Intercity from this list. However, this feature is not yet available within my region, but you should be able to find that option over here. Now, once you select it, all you have to do is now choose Live Now or tap the calendar icon to schedule your cross-city trip up to 30 days in advance. Then confirm the trip by reviewing the upfront fare and select your payment method and also tap the Confirm Intercity. Once you do this, you should be able to use and book the Uber Intercity. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.